onion pancake, eggplant pancake, king oyster mushroom pancake, and perilla leaves pancake for the harvesting celebration. It's a very simple recipe but very savory. I prepared 2 onions, 1 eggplant, and 2 king oyster mushrooms, and 20 perilla leaves. I trimmed and washed them previously. 1 paper cup of pancake mix, the same amount of water, half tablespoon of crushed garlic, some salt, and half tablespoon of sesame oil. And some ingredients for flavor and decoration are 1 청양 chili pepper, 3 red peppers, and a little ground daisy. 100 grams of cocktail shrimp, and the seasoning for shrimp is a little black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. The ingredients for dipping sauce are 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder, and chopped green onion. You can dip in soy sauce mixed with vinegar, or you can dip in red chili pepper paste with vinegar. So I prepared this one. You can get it in grocery store. Let's cut all the vegetables. Slice the onion. Eggplant, slice it too. King oyster mushroom. I'll use this thick part. I left the half of the king oyster mushroom and perilla leaves. I'll remove the stalk a little. Cut the 청양 chili pepper and red pepper like this. Marinate the cocktail shrimp with 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and some black pepper powder. It can remove the shrimp smell. Let's make the dipping sauce. There are 2 kinds of batter. One is egg batter, the other is flour or a pancake mix batter. You can use any kind of batter for pancake. I'm gonna use both the batter. I'll use pancake mix batter for onion and eggplant. And I'll use egg batter for king oyster and perilla leaves. Need pancake mix for dry coat. Generous amount of oil in the preheated pan, and coat king oyster with whisked egg, and put the ground daisy and red chili pepper. It's for decoration. Egg batter burns quickly, so we should turn it over soon. I add cocktail shrimp on top. It's just an option because it's for decoration. Of course, flavor is good. This time with pancake mix batter. Fry it over the medium-low heat and put 청양 chili pepper on top It's for decoration too. Turn it over when the bottom begins to look golden brown. With the leftover, I'll make a shrimp pancake. It looks very beautiful and it also tastes savory. Give it a try on Harvest Moon celebration. Thank you.